Yeah, what is going on? So this is how to obtain ChatGPT API key. So first step is to obviously sign up for OpenAI if you don't have an account. After that, you're gonna verify your email address. Then you're gonna set up your billing information. If you are willing to use API excessively, you want to subscribe to the ChatGPT paid method. Yeah, so after that, you're gonna generate your API key. After setting up your billing information, if necessary, navigate to your OpenAI account dashboard and click to API keys tab. You may need to wait few minutes for the key to be generated. Specify your API key usage. Choose the API key usage such as ChatGPT, DALI, or Whisper. You can also specify the model version like GPT 3.5 Turbo or GPT-4. Once it's generated, you're going to copy it, and this key is unique to your account and will be used to authenticate API requests, so make sure it's private. Integrate your API key. Use your API key to integrate ChatGPT into your application, product, service. You can find documentation and code examples on OpenAI website. Additional tips: make sure to keep your API secure, like I said, since it grants access to OpenAI services. If you're experiencing issues with generating an API key or logging in, refer to OpenAI's login troubleshoot tips or contact them, they might help. The ChatGPT API has its own pricing, which can be found in the OpenAI website. Please note that ChatGPT Plus subscription does not include access to the ChatGPT API and are billed separately. Yeah, so when you buy the ChatGPT Plus, you don't get that API with it. So you can specify the model version of your API request, such as GPT 4.11.06 preview, GPT 3.5 turbo, whatever. Yeah, so that's everything you need to know.